The trial got postponed, but prosecutors and the defense team spent the day in court for the case against Jarrod Ramos. He's pleaded guilty to killing 5 people at a Maryland newspaper, but claims he's not criminally responsible. WJZ is live in Annapolis. Paul Gesser reports today's focus was on the gunman's mental fitness. Paul.
Vic, as you mentioned, Ramos pleaded guilty back in the fall to the 2018 attack. Today's hearing centered on the doctor's evaluation on his sanity. A psychiatrist hired by prosecutors argues the Capital Gazette gunman acts normally in jail, which they argue would counter his defense. He's not criminally responsible for the murders of the 5 Capital Gazette employees. It's Maryland's version of the insanity defense. The gunman pleaded guilty to the June 2018 attack in Annapolis, killing Gerald Fishman, Rob Hyacin, John McNamara, Rebecca Smith, and Wendy Winters. In Thursday's hearing, Judge Laura Ripken granted a defense motion regarding how that doctor got his interviews with corrections staff, but denied a motion to compel discovery of the substance of those interviews. Prosecutors argue that doctor can serve as an expert on how the gunman acts while incarcerated, saying please and thank you, for instance, suggesting he's normal when interacting with staff. The defendant sat quietly Thursday, as he has throughout the course of these hearings. Another motions hearing is scheduled in 20 days, with a jury trial to determine criminal responsibility set for early June. Now, this case has spanned long enough where attorneys are changing, both for the defense and the prosecution, were introduced to court today. For now, we're reporting live in Annapolis. Paul Gesser for WJZ.